Hello everyone. In this video, we will be discussing about 2019 Karnataka TET question paper, Child Development and Pedagogy in English Medium. Firstly, study to secure A grade in examination is an example of options: habitual learning, cognitive learning, classical conditioning, and instrumental conditioning. Here the correct answer is instrumental conditioning. This instrumental conditioning is also called as operant conditioning. It is a process by which humans and animals learn to behave in such a way as to obtain rewards and avoid punishment. In this question, to secure A grade is an example for some reward. That's why we go on to option 4, which is instrumental conditioning. Next one, extrinsic motivation is emphasized by options: behaviorist theories, humanist theorists, cognitive theorists, gestalt theorists. Here the correct answer is option 1, behaviorist theorists. Here the external motivation means it involves rewards or other incentives like praise, fame or money, which are used as motivation for specific activities. Next question, the change in behavior of the individual brought about by experience is a result of options: learning, teaching, training, and testing. Here the correct answer is learning. Next, 64th question. The formative evaluation is used to options: classify the students, identify the learning gaps, identify the learning difficulties, identify the learning disabilities. Here the correct answer is option 2, identify the learning gaps. Here the formative evaluation means it is used to it is used during the teaching learning process to monitor the learning process. Then also comes summative evaluation. It is used after the course completion to assign the grades. Then comes maturation is a natural process of options: growth, development, personality, growth and development. Here the correct answer is option 4, growth and development. Next one, special ability besides the general intellectual ability in an individual is known as attention, attitude, aptitude, interest. Here the correct answer is option 3, aptitude. Next one, all humans are born genius, but half of us are made idiots by the system of education. This statement was said by J.P. Guilford, Watson, Brunner, Piaget. Here the correct answer is J.P. Guilford. So these are the answers obtained from official revised key answers. So option 1 is the right answer here. Next one, the technique used to find out relationship existing among the students in the classroom. Options: sociometry, projective technique, intelligence test, diagnostic test. Here the correct answer is option 1, sociometry. Next comes dyslexia is a learning disability in writing, reading, pronouncing, and fourth one, visualizing. Here the correct answer is option 2, reading. In official key answers, in official revised key answer, they also given right answer for pronouncing. Okay, both reading and pronouncing they have given right answer. So reading is actually the right answer. Then other kinds of learning disabilities include dysgraphia, which is learning disability in writing, then dyspraxia, also known as developmental coordination disorder, which is DCD, that affects movement and coordination, that is hand-eye coordination. Then comes dyscalculia. It is difficulty in understanding math concept and symbols. Then autism is a neurobehavioral syndrome, behavioral syndrome, social syndrome, emotional syndrome. Here the correct answer is option 1, neurobehavioral syndrome. Next one, educating special children in normal classroom along with normal children means special education, normal education, non-formal education, inclusive education. Here the correct answer is option 4, inclusive education. Next one, development means qualitative changes, quantitative changes, both qualitative and quantitative changes, physical changes. Here the correct answer is option 3, both qualitative and quantitative changes. Next comes A stimulus which encourages either increase or decrease the exhibition of certain behaviors in an individual is motivation, reinforcement, response, self-confidence. Here the correct answer is option 2, reinforcement. Next one, helping the learner to learn through scaffolding is constructivism, cognitivism, behaviorism, humanism. Here the correct answer is option 2, cognitivism. Next one, multi-factor theories of intelligence was propounded by Thurstone, Guilford, Terman, Taylor. Here the correct answer is option 1, Thurstone. Next 76th question, social intelligence, concrete intelligence and abstract intelligence are three types of intelligence according to Thorndike, Thurstone, Spearman, Terman. Here the correct answer is option 1, Thorndike. Next comes 77th question. Brainstorming is a technique used to fostering options intelligence, personality, creativity, aptitude. Here the correct answer is option 3, creativity. Next one, developmental task of different stages of human growth was propounded by Piaget, Brunner, Bandura and Havinghurst. Here the correct answer is option 4, Havinghurst. Next one, if the test measures what it intends to measure, then the test has validity, reliability, objectivity, practicability. Here the correct answer is option 1, validity. Next one, critical thinking can be developed among children through exploration, evaluation, demonstration, illustration. As per the revised key answers, the correct answer is exploration or evaluation. Both are right answers. Next question. An achievement test is a tool designed to measure in specified areas of intellectual abilities, facial abilities, emotional abilities, social abilities. Here the correct answer is option 1, intellectual abilities. Next one, continuous and comprehensive evaluation assesses curricular activities, co-curricular and extracurricular activities, curricular and co-curricular activities, cultural activities. Here the option 3 is the right answer, curricular and co-curricular activities. Next one, 83rd question, diagnostic test is designed to identify learning difficulties, learning disabilities, learning distractors, learning abilities. Here the correct answer is option 1, learning difficulties. Next 84th question, intelligence is defined as the ability to judge well, to understand well and to reason well according to Terman, William Stone, David Wessler, Binet and Simon. Option 4, Binet and Simon are the right answers. So next one, introversion is related to intelligence, social activity, social mobility, creativity. Here the correct answer is option 2, social activity. Next one, achievement test is designed to measure knowledge, understanding and skills in a specified subject or group of subjects according to Ebel, Freeman, Piaget, Brunner. Option 2, Freeman is the right answer. Next one, an individual works hard for the sake of rewards. It is an example for, this is already we have studied, it is an example for option 3, extrinsic motivation. Next comes 88th, social factor which influence learning are mainly school environment, home environment, school and home environment, school and media. Here the correct answer is option 3, school and home environment. Next 89th question, a previous learning facilitates new learning. This is known as positive transfer of learning, negative transfer of learning, lateral transfer of learning, zero transfer of learning. Option 1, positive transfer of learning is the right answer. Next 90th one, limited capacity to hold informations of digits, letters, words or names at a time is known as short-term memory, long-term memory, semantic memory, working memory. Here the correct answer is option 1, short-term memory. Thank you.